Are you looking for the best table saw for woodworking? In this video we will look at some of the best table saw for woodworking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SKIL Worm Drive Table Saw. Many portable table saws trade off power for portability, but not this one. We noticed immediately the worm drive motor didn't flinch, even with hardy materials. This saw's muscle is a standout feature. It rips through ply and hardwood without hesitation. The rack and pinion system for fence adjustments is impressive. We found it to be accurate and consistent, ensuring precise cuts every time without backtracking to double-check measurements. The lightweight and ergonomically designed frame is a joy to move around, making it a breeze to shift from project to project. It's not just portable, it also feels stable and secure during use, which is just what we look for in a table saw meant to face various job site conditions. One drawback we had to contend with, however, was its reliance on 120-volt power. This can be limiting in regions with different electrical standards. Also, while the overall build is sturdy, there are a few plastic parts that could raise some durability concerns over years of heavy use. Lastly, the blade that comes with it is decent for general cutting, but if you're after those ultra-clean cuts for finer woodworking, you might want to consider investing in a higher-end blade. Overall, the SKIL SPT99T01 packs the might of a full-size saw into a portable package. Its capabilities impress us every time we use it, and we confidently recommend it for its balance of power, precision, and mobility. At number 2. Compact DEWALT Table Saw. After slicing through several types of hardwood, the high points of this DEWALT table saw are evident. It offers a degree of precision that's sure to satisfy most woodworking enthusiasts. The rack and pinion fence system glides smoothly, allowing for swift modifications that stay true mid-project. The compact design made repositioning in the workshop hassle-free, which is great for those of us with limited space. Despite the smaller 8.1/4-inch blade, it powered through our usual ply and hardwoods without hesitation. However, getting it up and running took a bit of time. While it wasn't the most intuitive setup we've seen, the efforts paid off with performance afterward. For larger sheets of material, you might find the cutting capacity a tad constraining. Keep this in mind if you frequently work with oversized stock. Noise levels are another factor to consider. Ear protection is a must with this one. But considering the cuts were as smooth as butter and the adjustments a cakewalk, it's a trade-off we can live with. Plentiful onboard storage kept all the tools tidy, showing that DEWALT understands the value of convenience. All in all, this little workhorse has earned its spot in our workshop, particularly for jobs that require moving the saw around or where space is at a premium. Our experience suggests it's a solid pick for those looking for a dependable, no-nonsense table saw for their DIY exploits or smaller professional projects. At number 3. SKIL 10 Jobsite Table Saw. Cutting through oak like a hot knife through butter, we found the robust motor didn't flinch, handling dense materials without any hesitation. The fence alignment is remarkably straight right out of the box, something we don't always see, which made for reliable, accurate cuts from the get-go. The foldable design is ingenious, not just space-saving but a godsend for us who frequently move tools around the shop. Within minutes, we transitioned from a stable setup for cutting sizable sheets to a compact unit we could tuck away. Cleanup tends to be a chore we'd rather skip, but the dust-poured elbow directed the mess right where it needed to go, sparing us the usual sawdust headache. It's details like this that make the experience more enjoyable and efficient. At number 4. PioneerWorks Compact Table Saw. We've gotten our hands on the PioneerWorks Compact Table Saw, and it's been a game-changer for our workshop. Its powerful copper motor cuts through wood like butter, making project times quicker and output more precise. We appreciate the adjustability, be it the height or blade angle, it adapts to our multiple project needs seamlessly. The difference this saw makes in maintaining cleanliness is remarkable, thanks to its efficient dust collection system. We noticed a significant reduction in debris, which means we can focus more on crafting and less on cleanup. This feature alone makes it a worthy addition to our toolkit. Safety while working is non-negotiable for us, and this saw has not let us down. The transparent guard and emergency off switch are confidence-inspiring. Though we haven't had the saw for long, our experience to date suggests it's built with our safety in mind. For its portability, we find it easy to transport and store, which is a huge plus for our often cramped space. As we look forward to more projects with this table saw, we recognize it may not be the one-stop solution for everyone, especially for those tackling heavy-duty projects regularly. Yet, for our diverse range of tasks and the need for mobility without forsaking power, it strikes an ideal balance. At number 5. Worx Pegasus Workbench. The Pegasus setup impresses immediately with its snappy transition from a sleek folded state to a fully functional workbench. The ease of the unfolding process suggests you'll waste no time before delving into your projects. You appreciate the heft and assurance it offers once it's standing, a real testament to its solid design. When you switch to the sawhorse mode, its capacity skyrockets. Supporting up to 1,000 pounds, it handles everything from cuts of lumber to bulky items like bikes. While it may seem lightweight at 30 pounds, the Pegasus carries the weight of your work with surprising resilience. What particularly stands out is the clamping system. The inclusion of quick clamps and clamp dogs elevates the Pegasus beyond a mere work surface. It clamps down on various shapes and sizes, providing a level of versatility that could be a real game changer for us in many woodworking scenarios.